cabbage. We have green pepper and spring onions. We have tomato paste. We have ginger and garlic and other spices.
So since we'll be making stew and spag, I decided to make the spag first, so it will give me enough time to prep my ingredients for the stew. So I added water to the fire first, and when the water was almost boiled, I added salt, and now I'm just going to break my spaghetti inside. Most people don't like breaking their spag; they just like pouring it inside straight. But me, I break my own spag. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, please help us turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you. So, after making the spaghetti, or after putting the spaghetti on fire, yeah, after putting the spaghetti on fire, I went ahead to prep my ingredients. I diced what was supposed to be diced. I blend what was supposed to be blended. I grinded what was supposed to be grinded, and I would show you the whole process in this video. So you have to add enough water to the spag. So the water I added was not enough, so I just added more to make it enough. So after that, I went straight to the chicken, and what I added was ginger, garlic, and black pepper, Maggi, salt, and any other spice you want to add to your chicken. You can. Then I kept it aside for a while before parboiling it and then frying it later. Before boiling it and then frying it later. Sorry. So now after that, for the stew, you get a pot, put the pot on fire, and then you add your onions first if you like. If not, you can actually fry your tomato first, any of the above. So after frying the tomato, I'm going to go in with my onions. So I'm going to add my onions next. So when I fry my tomato, I like frying it till it turns to the actual color I want, which is most times very red. So yeah, I am actually cooking with my niece because she said she wanted to cook with me. So yeah, we had to do the video together. So you must have seen her in the introduction part where she was introduced in the video. So yeah, we cooked this delicious stew together. So after the onions, I went in with my mixed pepper paste, which is the tomato, pepper, and fresh tomato, pepper, and onions I blended. So after that, I added a little bit of cloves. I added ginger. I added garlic. That I grinded it and I added it to it. Then I went in with my green pepper, my spring onions, my carrots, and then my cucumber and my cabbage, and any other thing you want to add to the stew. You can actually add to the stew. Any other vegetable you want to add to the stew, you can actually add to the stew. Then after that, I put in my spice, and then my salt, and then my black pepper, and then my chicken. So yes, the cabbage came last before the chicken. So guys, the funny story behind this was, as I was cooking, or no, as we were cooking, that's me and my niece, guys, my gas finished. My gas actually finished. Oh, my gas actually finished, and I had to go and beg my neighbor to actually lend me their gas so that I can finish my cooking. Guys, today's cooking was very, very funny because I can't believe. Anyways, yeah, the stew still came out nice. So this is not your regular stew. You can call this vegetable stew. Yeah, you can call this vegetable stew if you want. So I actually kept the chicken water for something else, but when I realized the gas finished, I actually had to add the chicken water to my stew because it would actually be a waste since I won't be able to do what I wanted to do again. So yeah, I added chicken water. So and now I added my chicken to it. I had to add everything chop 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 before the gas would finish. I was hoping I would still get to like finish the stew before everything finishes, but Nibo, the gas actually finished on me, and yeah, like I said, I had to go and beg a neighbor. I had to go and beg my neighbor to allow me use her gas. So yes, this spice, I'm trying it for the first time, guys. This spice is hot. I don't know if it's truly, if it was this spice that made this stew this hot, but guys, that spice is really hot, very hot. So yes, this is me in my neighbor's kitchen. I haven't had the mind to video again, so I had to beg her to allow me use her gas, and she did. And well, we finished our stew there in her kitchen. Anyways, please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to actually subscribe. So yeah, this is our stew. I am back to my house, and this is actually the end result. So thanks for watching. Have an amazing day, and trust me, me and my household we enjoyed this delicious spag and stew.